Hi guys, I'm on the TradeJuice platform and I see a whole bunch of high probability trades, and I'm going to have a look at entering one now, the euro pound on a 15-minute. I'm going bullish. I've got my entry target stop levels, and if I had to look at the chart right now, you can see this is where price is. So I do want to set up a new order, bullish order, so I'm going to buy, and all I need to do now is just have a look at where my entry would be, which is that. I'm going to copy it. And because price is not at that level yet, I'm going to enter a pending order and I'm going to enter a buy stop limit at this price. It's as simple as that. I just put it in. And now next, I'm going to set my target. And that's just a copy paste situation here. I put that into my take profit area. And then I'm going to also do the same with my stop loss. So here we go. And there's my stop. And if I had to look at the chart, it's telling me that I can enter it at that point there. And there's my targets. I've chosen one of them. And there's my stop loss there. So that's how it's going to be put up on the chart. And so let's do that. So just as the TradeJuice had suggested, I have placed a pending order here at the green line. So as price moves up, if price hits that target, it'll open the trade, and then I'll be looking upwards towards hitting my target here. My stop has been placed here. So at the moment, I'm just going to let this run, and I'll be back shortly just to keep an eye on it to see if my pending order has been hit and the progression of the trade. Be back shortly. All right, guys, and I'm back, and the trade has already played out in just a short while, just under half an hour, and I've made $441.61. And there's the trade on the chart. That's where I entered. That's where the stop was placed, and that's where the target was hit. As you can see, just 2 candles later, we exited the trade in profit. Thanks for watching.
Now, let's go over step by step what you're going to get. Now, maybe we add a little bit more info, and we are always trying to add more and more info just to make sure that it's easier and easier to use. So we are constantly updating a small feature based on the recommendation from our beta group, and now that small amount of the people that actually are using the software. But overall, this is more or less the final design. Every single trade idea comes with the instrument name, time frame where we found that signal, direction bearish or bullish. Let's say either we want to buy or sell, entry point, target, stop, and a risk reward. Also, you have the chart so you can get everything that you need. So if we click here, what we see here is the dollar Swiss franc. And the same thing that you see here are displayed over here, just more for that visual representation of what we are looking to do. The here charts update every 15 minutes. And maybe price can be a little bit different, but usually if something is wrong or we already hit the entry point, we are going to hide the trade, just because there is no point if you go and, let's say, miss the trade just because you are too late. So there is no point for you to see the trade. So all the trades that are here are more or less already valid. There is not a chance that something is wrong. So we want to be looking for a short position at 89.6521 with a target at 89.1881 and stop loss 89.9995. The risk reward is 1 to 1.4. So if you risk $100, we would be making 140.